Okay? So here we have a sequence. 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. Sabi niya, this is daw in arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence where the next term is obtained by adding common difference. Right? So, in this case, what is the common difference? Right? Ano ba yung common difference dito? Bakit mo nasabi na arithmetic sequence yan? Okay. So, the common difference is just the difference between two consecutive terms. So, for example, dito, consecutive terms 3 at saka 7. So, ano yung difference ni 3 at saka ni 7? Diba, 7 minus 3 is 4. Right? Tapos dito, 11 minus 7, 4. 15 minus 11, 4. 19 minus 15 is 4. So, how do you get 19? Ginawa mo lang 15 plus 4. So, ano man yung common difference? I-add mo lang yun. Kaya 15 plus 4, 19. So, para makuha mo yung next term, plus 4 din. 23. Diba? 23, ano ba yan? So, 19 plus 4, kaya yung next term, naging 23. Diba? And then, so itong next term dito yung 6, diba? 6 term pala to. A sub 6. So, kaya, naging 23 kasi yung common difference ay 4. Diba? Yun. So, para pakita, let's use the formula. Formula ng nth term ng arithmetic sequence ay a sub n equals a sub 1 first term plus n minus 1 times t. So, yung n dito pa rin ang n dyan. So, for example, dito yung 6th term, a sub 6 equals first term, so yung pinakauna, 3. So, 3 plus yung n, ito, 6 minus 1. So, common difference. Common difference is yung difference ng 3 at 7, 4. Times 4. So, 3 plus 5 times 4. Okay? Dito, para evaluate to, use PEMDAS, diba? Diba? PEMDAS. So, unahin mo yung nasa parenthesis. Or, unahin mo yung nasa multiplication. So, dito. Before yung addition. So, multiplication, 5 times 4 is 20 plus 3 equals 23. Yun. Kaya naging 23. Yan. Sunod, a sub 10. 10th term. A sub 10. Okay, a sub 10, a sub 10, so n equals 10, right? So, formula, a sub 10 equals a sub 1 plus 10 minus 1 times t. So, a sub 1 is again 3 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 times t is 4. So, 9 times 4, 9, 18, do the 7, 36, plus 3 equals 39. So, yun. Kaya naging 39 yung John. So, yun lang para paano mag-solve ng nth term ng isang arithmetic sequence.